Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to retelling the journal, the title English Teacher Strategies in Managing Their Classes, a case study. English Teacher Strategies in Managing Their Classes as case study. The authors are Lini Marzulina, Dian Erlina, Muhammad Hollandia, Kasinyo Harto, Dita Devitasari, and Desri Anggraini. Specific discussion why might add 1. Exploring English teacher strategies in managing their classes, and 2. Exploring the student perception towards the strategies used by their English teachers. The design of this research is qualitative with a case study approach. The study involved for English teachers and 10 students at the State Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang, Indonesia. Methodology, research design, participant, and local of the study. In this study, we use a qualitative research design with a case study approach. Case study is one of the approaches used to investigate an issue that happened in the one place. Criswell in 2007 explained that the case study in the study of an issue explores one or more cases with the boundary system of the multiple bounded system over time through the tailored in-depth data collection involving multiple sources of information. The author used this approach because the major data collection were in the form of the qualitative data and find of strategy of English teacher in managing a their class and perception of the student on the strategies used by their English teachers. The data gained for the observation and interview were analyzed by using thematic analysis to determine information about the English teacher strategies in managing their classes and student perception of the strategies used by their English teacher in the managing their classes. First, the author prepared, organized, and read the data from observation and interview. In this process, the authors read out the instruction and coded the data related to the study research questions. Then the author the coding process to generate description from the data. The author made themes for the code that interconnects the themes. Interconnects themes mean that the research connects to the display chronology or sequences of the event and qualities research generates and theoretical or conceptual models. Lastly, the authors made personal impressions from the themes and could add the final summary of the research concerning the research questions. The finding of the study relevant that the strategy used by the English teacher in managing their classes included planning the lessons, organizing and controlling the students, managing classroom communication and talking time, and giving written and timely feedback on the student works. The student revised their strategies positively and report a better understanding, mutual respect, and enjoy of the lessons. In the conclusion, English teachers in managing their classes use several strategies. The strategies were planning, the lesson organizing, and controlling the student, managing classroom communication and talking time, giving written and timely feedback on student works. The majority of the students positively cited towards the strategy used by their English teacher in managing their classes. They found that the strategy were helpful for them in learning English. This perception should be considered and determined of student attitudes towards learning and respect teacher teaching practices in the lay classes.